it was for a higher juicy news. Mema Obibia Akwaba. I had the latest hot and one era with the Bremo. And unti se unya subscribe to channel dia bomodin share or be subscribe. There be an share or click a year the subscribe button no. Na wa barely notification no. We have a video fufu bia be upload no. When the first person was sa ebeka a year sa video. Afi we are na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na afi share ma wo fufu so na when you be here na wo hu ensem dodo na ra ekoso e wo Ghana me mu hanam. Afi yembura ye ensema abeto yepno so bumayinti a yes report here about bumayinti sansemi.
Court has reviewed the award of damage, award of damage for defamation against Kennedy Agyapong from 18 million United States dollars to how much? 500 US dollars. Hello. Folks, that's the breaking news story. The United States Court has reviewed the award of damage for defamation against Kennedy Agyapong from 18 million United States dollars to 500 US dollars. As someone that who nan is saying, yet your baby and cabin shemu, yet ha. One particular day, then the whole Ghana news wires, then the news wires, the airspace Ninara poised with unprecedented running story back to back. Who said, Anas Aremeyaw Anas Bejina ho say we're really saying 18 million United States dollars. E dey ba semwa America court no e dey say scan e man e say djuma no ontimi nya biom na owura Kennedy ayeden egu no hu fi owura ene court no akwatena se make say court no da so ete ho na first blow and I said the first punch or media beto no etchere say 18 million one and chiedema Anas Aremeyaw Anas wonye no nkwata no woni nin kakra won fe bi memma nkrofo no na so de be memma nkrofo na mu di bi ayeden awo fufuo di bi ayetu ezi afenim ni apesie nim ni ade no madi no mu di bi so ayedede abo evene sen wo mu di bi atwe soroku enim ni ade wo mu di skani bi betwe soroku wo Ghana ha na obi ehu sesei no court to know ya bon semini egu 18 obi be kana semo 18 million dollars ana sentimi enyam $1,000 impo court atwi sikani na ba form say ye man $500 na onfa enkoto bibi ni Aremeyaw Anas se wa hu na Ghana for munimade me betre fidie so 3 weeks ago and I said to you say wo koken kan America honankasa United States precise New Jersey New Jersey hono the court of New Jersey omu jurisprudence no why defamation Emma obi say we defame nunti yentu esike bi ma no man ti say me boss asem yan eso say akosra $500 ene bebi ebedro no na mumi say edi nti na asem we buy fiti ewia no abesi satam we all the news wires including Anas media surrogates are quiet. They are all quiet. But mame kwa humana suna ye correspondence or call court ho abe. Oh, me correspondent in my yen na yen getting in touch na afi yen ye mini manimo. Yen something I don't know why in here. Abe Utiemia, Mr. Yenayem Picket, yeah, Fro, we are calling you, okay? And Yanayan in Tamnafi, Yanshana Yankoyenim. Okay, mon friend, now I saw Picket fast, Nafi Yemna, because your correspondent are no courtroom one. Now, Yanin Kudin Common precise, because near sent Yene lawyer Beckasa, but lawyer and so I almost a courtroom was Sisiama, or why a busy pa and ade ye ntiminya but your correspondence in the between na kasa ntimonhwe na mumpuli abekumra but Ghanaians asem we me beka you say Anas, Aremeyaw Anas, and in his surrogate in Bedada Ghana for 80 million. And say, I came back again and I demanded, say, Anas and produce a written judgment. Extra say, ye the 18 million ebeshen in some and the nature. Pabam, and on in his surrogate for Okotra, and you see one of Anas ally back on air Samson Ladi Ayenini of Joy News, precisely the host of News File. Omukotra Samson Dwemu ye dede use the multimedia platform at the council way. Edugu Ghana from Woody free. As if said Joy FM for no Samson Ladi Ayenene, ne Meraka Krana Wokosiano, on Wakasa, everybody should catch cold and believe say yeah, more canacre. And I said to Ghanaians, no. On fan a written judgment on Femra. And one Womutito Riam, Quayam, Slim, Mipom, and Sum in Yam, Pam, or ma mebium, Bessin now. New Jersey court now signed the ruling about say a fee 80 million. Ya draggy wa they be do saying $500. Anas, Aremeyaw Anas. So no. At the time now, yeah, stories, you know. Some of his unscrupulous scavengers were sitting there sending me messages and me. Anas, now say me catch up say me train uncle court on me baho. You think some of us are grouping here the one? Aremeyaw. No one can so him. Anas Aremeyaw Anas him very well. Why yes, so many attempts. Me say Anas Aremeyaw Anas. Why yes, so many attempts towards the host of the frontline show, Kweku Annan. So many ways and means. Many ways and means saying. Then another person way. No coin on one who say yeah easy. Some me catch and say, Master, me don't try me spiritually, physically. Don't try it. The boom pain and me nipa me who fool. Oh, politicians from Mugu Ghana, I only respect few, but I'm not a coward. I'm not scared of a human being born by a woman. Why would I do that? How? Now, Mofesi social analysis, the whole Ghana and some fooling and Yamafina. Why you were Ghana? We used to politicians at the everybody kept quiet. And the things that some of us, Aremeyaw, can put us into submission. How dare you? How dare you? Ebi nene obiba womo de na kwhye police custody wono wan Daniel Owusu Krante or da social ho me womo very well say no abrante na onye ahwe womo nim say abrante na nya ahwe but for some strange reason ade on person omo ye no Anas Aremeyaw Anas na edi science money we now yeah. Now, Aremeyaw stories, nobody, don't deceive yourself, say me, Aremeyaw, don't try. You know what I'm talking about. You've tried so many ways. You know, me say you've tried so many ways, but I told you don't dare. If you dare me, I'll crush you into pieces. And I warn you, say, until death between the two of us, you won't survive in this country. Won't survive it with that your foolish entrapment journalism. Me say you won't survive it. We want a clean system. You bet media build anti-corruption, but we will not build anti-corruption work at the back of your tiger eye, which is out there entrapping people, and you use your tiger eye as a cash cow and you are making money into your pocket. It won't work. As long as I could leave, it won't work. And who said the front line, we've exposed you all to your bone, then you started doing so many. And you think I don't know what you are doing? I have all of them covered. All your nefarious movement in your dark secret world, whatever you are doing, Nina, I've uncovered it. But I'm to tell you, Master, don't try. I'm sure you were told, said don't. You were told, said don't. Nobody understands Kasana Mekane, but you know it. Yakacho said, don't try. I'm a child of God. Oh. I serve the Lord God, he who was and is to come. Okay? That's why I sit here and I speak boldly and I speak into the atmosphere, and I'm not scared of any human being. I'm not. I don't know why I should be scared. No. I'm not scared of the man in the Antarctica. And I'm not scared in the man in where? In the global south. And I'm not scared in the man coming from the east. No. Because they are all human beings and they all die. Why? So, we must all be acceptable. Whatever we are doing, we must ensure, say, if it is acceptable before the Lord. As the morning began, so shall the night be. Okay. As the morning began, so shall the night be. You are not the smart guy in Ghana, and you are not the wisest guy in Ghana, and you are not the very crafty guy. You are a destitute, sort of useless person. Your image has crashed down. I told you, the myth about you will be broken, and the myth will be demystified. I'm done, and we are okay with it. And the woman said, $18 million, the U.S. court has slashed it down. Come and tell the world in this country, say, 80 million ebeba tambe. Go and tell your Samson Ladia to sit on Kwesi Twum's multimedia this Saturday, no the same interview. You little rogues and rats, ragamuffins, and good for nothing, wasting everybody's time, using media to be doing this evil, wicked job. Also, we nipa fun, nipa bonifua, mumpa de papa. Eba and come and see the whole airwaves. Now they almost started free him for enemy ade. Abe, we are trying to call you. Please, Monfra Abe kunem say why ready. Monfra Abe ku WhatsApp so say be eduma. MCR. Monfra in term na ye ne Abe ku mfini. Yeah, quick ne Abe ku we na ye need time. Yeah, Aremeyaw Anas. The whole Ghanaians, the breaking news in Amade Mamono. The New Jersey court, 18 million war budget, no di aya DNA fanfare no. Court na now unim ade mamenka bibi nchram. Unim. I am reliably aware, sir, ora Kennedy Agyapong, whether ye the assembly tunuzo or ye fan tunuzo. The point is, at a point, Kennedy would have wished, say, na Aremeyaw Anas could compensating more than amount, amount and Washington. Yeah. I'm telling you, Ghanaians, he wanted to compensate him more than that. If he sold, yes, sir, or compensating by which is an admission of crime. So on YM from no, he wanted to just, part ways with Anas. Now, because also it man won't mean you. Na Anas nkobo ne bra there be but won say adwen boni any adwen fi any sunsun fi ni beye tinimu ni ntino Aremeyaw amini say at all costs he has to get that money or yeah or dey ba be jan aka kire Ghana for ni the whole world aye ahomama so say yeah ono ne champion we nye say sika no nti we timi this that guy Kennedy Agyapong or not to form we so nyame egu enimu ase. Abe, we have to end you here because we are calling you, you are not picking it. So I think that we'll end the breaking news here, folks. At the end of the day, I can't example. My friend WhatsApp not on pick up because that's where I say I'm friend. Meaning why intern the lines in the yes, sir. My friend WhatsApp, so please, MCR. Abe, they are calling you on WhatsApp. I'm say a mau, pick it. Okay, friend is saying, producer, check number now, our friend. Oh, are you checking the number? Checking number now, our friend was no. Yeah, na yenye ni amantem kakra na mini bresa. Okay. Mame ye, mame Emma we na monfa enhwade. Okay, yeah, pick this one up, okay? Yeah, oh. Yes, number B ba. Abbas is here and check na mo frɛ a fence your correspondence near nene in win 10 Iranum Ghana for anti the breaking news story in HSM. You see Anas there ye pay $500 be there sharing semenwan ye. Now I am daring him say by close of tonight Anas Aremeyaw Anas put a statement on Facebook wall. We are watching you. We're monitoring you closely. Put a statement on Facebook wall near Shadia. Yeah. Want to see statement out there? Then who we are? All your media surrogates. Employ them, let them come full force and get the message out. Say yes. Now you finally have received saying. Me sure say $500 will be courtroom on Grobi to meet Yaman. It's regrettable. We are so we see when you to be briba in Peninsula then Uma Ponchiache. Yes. And my winning bribe. And young who said, "Una we ye nipebi srunko." We are all equal before God. Okay? Don't say when you to be bribe no, and then no way then Uma Ponchiache no. Be didn't throw Ghana for saying we really sika 3 day and Uri na ukujina BBC with wine Daniel Dazi no also kwaye who was say 18 million $18 million uba bejiedi anya adwuma now me I have told some NDC star was say muna mo hihye Aremeyaw Anas echino back off. I know some top officers in the National Democratic Congress. Musha Branti Wechi and Amigo Sumam warning said, back off. Anas cannot, will not, may not use the NDC to as a launching pad or a means to restore a broken what? Kind of saying, an attempt to repair the image damage. No, John Dramani Mahama. Mo bia mfana sam nkofufa no mo bia mfana sam nkofufa mame kwa homa no so in United States because we ma ehye ne ene abe kunkudi nkomo our correspondent in New Jersey na ye nhwe no court no sefo abe wutime nka me moadwo niam ate sen
Kweku mejo so nyame
great mo mame volume kakra great America hot say bibia ate say Trump ho ye yes, because I know so White House one money ade. The White House bibia de na kwem.
Super eguso. Yes, you na pemso hapa.
Mo pemso ho. Aha so de mini John Mahama Professor Jena no Pokwajima ye pemso gidi ni Sami Jemfi ye pemso ye anadria kwan na ho kura. Great one. Now, Abe, in a New Jersey court one now we are learning said the court was slashing Sikano from 18 million as it was earlier reported no. Just $1,000 a crown in Drew. Adenti and a court in yes, sir. Why?
That's na mintia TFO in answer. I'm say Asante Bediatuo on a dear chira antino. Young Cadia war abontia ye a yenim na young canasa, near yenim and near yehunim, and ye bedi who dance here. Edikana me who say Anas lawyer no were feeling so disappointed in Anas. And Sadia show up.
Oh really?
Oh yeah, we're feeling so disappointed because Oma Yehun say Anas we didn't even kind would make the anymore. And at the point he even says Uniman coin ombelidi embaye, and that's on record. Because Obia Odi wasam Odi with him akawasama mao na court we na obe one say with the video abe post da amount for say candia wenya me one so nya dia wenya. If you a lawyer bia na would sa client next year, I think you're gonna feel like disappointed.
Wow.
And sanity. Kweku Annan pay me wa na a lawyer friend me. On say honorable Ken lawyers no me mienu.
Yeah.
Lawyer Cries and lawyer Andy, lawyer friends darko. Omina ewa enti Cries de ya na nekasa nti ya na normally nekasa we feel say Obama Ghana ni mu media ni aye all communicate no amaye. So that is what happened. So I received an email message from lawyer Darko Sabe, where are you? And I'm so long with my friend me and I'm because I was driving. Until the message that came was, we have won the case for Honorable Kennedy. And now court has awarded Anas 500. Now I'm ready to talk on your show. And when I'm a stop yet, me park a car and miss no. Then I have to do the friends exclusive mean trying to dream na or man for home. But the thing is, Mokai say, yeah, started court no. Charges are yedema yera. Kennedy $8 million if jury for no.
Good.
Just say Obianim say with the jury's verdict, Nemum judge Ninsi Sudia until said judge and because okay, that is the final judgment ruling from me. Apart from receiving this from a jury for no, I have also stamped on it, and that is final. You can't even come out and declare you have won a case. So all along, I was even waiting because from day one, I should have been the best person to even give vivid information day-to-day affair. But I decided to hold on because we've not gotten to where, as I say, Oma Obitrimu and Dana way. I have to wait and get the actual fact. Intino, about say you ran us the candy video no buy no. Overcome a catcher say video no the ban a bit tattoo so the buyer and go be deceive a man for because the tattoo no so dangerous because and no sooner jury for no if faces womb into intimate femba until the same go be audio side not the abanance audio side doesn't favor him. That is why I forwarded that to you. Said this the audio is what was ending the whole proceedings. Was Adam. And this is another pan confanka home. Nanka Ghana for say whether the case has been concluded or not. Inti the Abayana say $80 million. You said the Ecofa problem by ASR punitive damage. Awarded $8 million. Already now we had actual damage of $5 million and then compensatory damage of also $5 million, which were all awarded by the jury, plus the punitive damage. Now, we say New Jersey Mramono say Oakba Courtois compensatory damage in any civil defamatory case via $500.
Yeah.
And then say Anas percent konya actual damage. In case of other actual damage, evidence to the back.
Yeah. And
that was what the court was expecting. So you can see clearly, say, he was only thinking of being compensated. But compensatory damage charge at the house of $500. In the jury for no, at the $5 million in the bar, no, I can't say Anas should be able to, defend by proving more evidences to substantiate that amount now that honor.
Yeah.
Say 500 but on crowd we BT $5 million by providing us evidence. Ebia, what is saying won't be here to biem. If you say we start to carry ano, when him at end abon to be him winning by face. Now Cecilia because of the honorable Ken Kokayenti, we go who fiaka way now. Cecilia waba court to cry. We him abadam we are seeing a show. Inti wouldn't mean here with Juma as an undercover journalist being. And then you have to provide evidence.
Exactly.
Now, our sister since then, Okran on Timmy any Jumani being because affecting her. Now, in Sri Lanka, a year rough. If you say a rough by next day,
like rough for
concrete evidence. The evidence or the ban here, I will be a will say, a Jumano, we be at a Wunya Bium. Nanka Mokaya Nasa prepare another exposure, Nanka Oba just been short time and son over US. Sab exposing one farmer. It is will be a 1 year Juma build. Nobody expects you to come out with another expose. Inti Anno, lawyer Ralph by Begina that came can say, Ocaso on year Juma build. When I recently our prepare next expose and Kobabe show and a wine show. Moreover, case now would you also say, Ebia and Egun Hufi Yakikan Samatuno. Yedi Ghana court, Emma judges Mua and a judge Mua a ruling against Anas. Now, no crime, there are some names, potential names to be a war exposes Anas Yemua, a war quarter, Sadini na Yabo quarter. Anas catch the judge and say, O Nimobia, a dimitisa Hafiz. Also, Nim Hafiz will be
also Nim Hafiz.
A dimitisa Babatunde, Yebisana Anas Unim. Omu Bebiada, na ye Ghana name Oko North, that name pertains to people in the north. That's all he knows, but he doesn't know them. Then Ralph came out with a document that has been signed by Anasa, comprising the names of these names now.
Exactly.
Intino, say Ahano Judge Bia Ubekuta Sakes, no. So if you go with emotions, you do a mistake.
Yeah.
In Tibra Samnaban, he decided, so okay. Now, jury for now quite a mistake because one, Emra, and then she saw the two of my jury for no, in this so. Now, honorable Ken lawyers are so smart. because that was the end, the last minute of the case. No, lawyer no sorry say judge okay do be a boy all warning and say you
That's
can't
right.
rule this case.
Yeah.
And I am right because the judge need to rule pay on one can say because in the career. Because in the civil case, defamatory case, no. Now say jury for now would you almost say almost some amount judgment on the babano. And then I will be jina so now so were force no. Say mistake aba, that's a ubu and go to say the bad judgment. Yeah. Obi abamu say judge you are credible. Excuse my language. And when I'm so cotton see yeah, or she share more no who say no. Honorable Ken lawyer was calling for mistrial, right?
Yeah, mistrial.
That was the motion the judge was giving out. Usha announced the release be about Tiger F4 Eddie Omo release about.
Yeah.
Omo release about Abet say they are not so much interested into the money, but Omo per se no credit.
Or the statement about Cecilia.
Oh, statement about my 40 big grammar.
Yeah, or the statement be about Nimu
Now, one explaining Agyapong say $80 million. Honorable Ken Kosre say so. That is not true. Because Kweku say Obi Yama $80 million now Kosre so. Just be no better so about 500.
I didn't know better so about 500. How?
And that should tell you say sa compensatory damage na that New Jersey embremu say Obi honors or the case bad defamatory and civil case bi na sana e bi a compensate $500 and that ho. Inti say instrumental so ampa na ona boka ya nke bi on baba gani aye kura me bi about $5 million bi. You are awarded. But this time the judge used that compensatory damage, $500 by meaning that when to me provide any evidence for that actual damage, any punitive damage.
Yeah.
So what do $5 million what as a judge. That is why
can you imagine?
Lawyers so Honorable Ken was supposed to come, but the lawyer and friend said, you don't even need to come. Just allow it.
And it's a Ken back to Ghana, correct?
Exactly.
I see.
Exactly. Inti Kweku nititi and say emra aye juma and Anas na begine muka say na on trust Ghana judges and into the case in the Bahano. I believe say is going to have a different message. Whether he trusts the judges in America, that's a over 18 million amount 500. You trust not better trust so much up to you.
So trust Ghana court, America the ends way.
And so on for his statement in brand.
Good.
Now, Kweku say $500 no, $500, but I bam back in the tax room.
That's so. Oh,
$350.
Ewa America hono. Oh, yes, me pacho abe, Mesramo in Kutodegu for Mesramo. Munya nemwa, why? We dey a lawyer for ni na nkambo Mesramo. Or you cry so say munko na mumo de Mesramo emu oya papa emu oya kire say show obi akọ $10,000 a free politician bi eka emu nure chiri ya o enure ya o emenu abe hunte o na wo kodi asem America court how many years na 500 na den boni be na anasa yemo boni be na Aremeyaw Anas Misramo acho there be agro yefa gronto nchen emu oya say $1,000 krenu 800 krenu
yeah Kweku say me nya kwenya first day na ye be wura court mu no judge ni di kan ma ya kwenya say lawyers mienu no omo nkohia na omo ndi ano baba nhwe say bia omo abetimi atiase nanka
that's right
settlement nanka asem namba na omo kohia no omo kasa ya na Honorable Ken ekoreji say o obama Anas $10,000 just to close the case.
Oh,
and
okay.
Anas lawyer ba cost na yen plenty credit figure na ba cry saying inti bia wo mpese ye di case no and the on record me amene on Anas lawyer no so edi nkomo ana o ka say honestly they weren't pleased with that amount now Honorable Ken ekotu no inti they will pursue.
Oh.
And so if they had even accepted that $10,000 now Nkebi ankabeshe emba out bebresa.
Oh.
Right now, minim say Anas beya appeal appeal no so de na say nko na bo ne ya twen say ono bedi nkugu no akoya appeal na ya tres na mum adani obeya appeal anase oma astane ho a na hwe di release that bensu na che say enya de beti na ya appeal
onya appeal no ekomo ya
Kennedy ne ho son
and another say wo hwe mu anti ko obi mi hu say na obi pese o yi sika wo ne bottom the man wo court wa but and also the nya mo fan share envelope mu why abeg on behalf no jambo before be kono on behalf of myself me pacho hwe say sika mo be share envelope mu na mo Cecilia no fema no mo yi sika no fema no say enya nine na wo see e beti tax wo mu
aban beti no there 7%.
We dey Mr. wo ko White House dudu a one Trump in kasi yesreno we nyehwe 500 nyehwe wo de baga na kra nyiska na wo bi gi $10,000 enre ye ba be ka ho asem wo na wo gi say how na America court mo yesa ayare ho sem regrettable anyway abe me da was because wo so kwahye adwuma senti nya ma of course this is also a developing story nti ye ne abe to us folks ye ne abeku our correspondent JC court ho ene ene no AD and Komono. My main teacher some few AEB near there. Let me see. I have Gladys Yeboah Michawa Manaso Modoso. I wanted to give a shout out to Madame Fubio Amsterdam. Amsterdam, where are you? William Amo. William. Yes, Amsterdam. Good one. Yes. And I feel so Mame Boatma also Michia Papa Pawati. And then Aban, Miss Michia Pawati. Is it possible that Honorable Kennedy and his legal team give the judge goats, yams? No. Goats, yam, yeah. Goats ni yam bianya den anko. We all say Karma has deal with wine with Anas. Okay. We say I on or say Ken is or say is nature. Okay. Loads of messages then. Is it bold lens or say 500 tax 350. All of that, really. But of course, we are also learning Anas Aremeyaw Anas. We issue a statement. That statement, we have it here, and then we will see Nina and Yabema or Kopina and Yoma added on Kwemu. So, the breaking news story tonight, folks. Anas Aremeyaw Anas, MCR, credible. Are you there? Gauge the space. Yes. Anas Aremeyaw Anas. $18 million. $18 million. Ya triaba from 500 per any bit million. Ya diamano. This is the frontline breaking news story.
Yes.
But mama answer to that nephew yemfa. We believe is maame no ehwim sika no tantamount to crime. Therefore, like the police should pick that aspect. Do you support that claim?
No, the police cannot pick up that case except Sami Jemfi, who is involved.
Okay.
Makes a report officially.
Oh, okay.
Else,
okay.
And when the woman was taking the money from Sami Jemfi, to be very honest with you, even though I don't like the woman, I've never liked her day one. Yes, I've never liked her. So, for the fact that the woman took the money from Sami Jemfi, Sami Jemfi was not on the Rex.
Yeah. Okay.
The gun was not pointed at him and the money was taken.
Okay.
When the woman was taking the money from Sami Jemfi was even smiling. Which means that he willingly gave the money
sort
out.
Sort of benevolent.
Yes.
Kind of.
And he was just trying to be a gentleman. He hasn't done anything wrong. So, the woman coming out to count the money and go and make videos showing that she has gotten this money from Sami Jemfi. Now, the woman is trying to defend Sami Jemfi. I don't know if you're aware.
Oh, okay.
Oh, she's defending Sami Jemfi everywhere. That's because she thought Sami Jemfi was going to chase her away. But he received her and advised her. And she's happy. Will that bring her vote to NDC in 2028?
Absolutely not. Folks, you're the best CSA.
Yo, it is what we need and someone about it. Yapono so Mikao say so when you subscribe to channel idea, but more than say over subscribe. Now, while like if you don't give us a thumbs up. Nafi share my offer so that when you be here now and someone ekoso ewo Ghana memoir. Also bet me otchere wadwen afaye and some way you know ewo comment box no mo. Mobeti menkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.